Understanding bone quality, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language: bone quality. This concept is not just about bones in a biological sense, but it's a phrase that can be used in various contexts. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Bone quality literally refers to the strength and health of bones. It's a term often used in medical fields, especially in discussions about osteoporosis or bone density. When doctors talk about bone quality, they are considering factors like bone density, bone structure, and the rate of bone turnover. This term helps in understanding the overall health and resilience of bones. Interestingly, bone quality can also be used metaphorically. In a non-literal sense, it might describe the strength or foundation of something. For example, one might say, "The bone quality of this argument is weak," implying that the argument's foundation or basis is not strong. It's a creative way to use medical terminology in everyday language. In some cultures, the term might be used colloquially to refer to personal characteristics. For instance, saying someone has good bone quality could imply they are strong, resilient, or have a strong character. It's always fascinating to see how such phrases adapt and change in different cultural contexts. Let's look at a few examples. 1. Medical. The patient's bone quality has improved significantly after the treatment. 2. Metaphorical. The bone quality of your thesis is quite impressive. 3. Colloquial. Despite the hardships, she has shown remarkable bone quality. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of bone quality in both literal and metaphorical senses. It's a phrase that beautifully blends medical terminology with everyday language, showcasing the richness and versatility of the English language. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring new phrases and words.